guys, welcome to your channel. In today's video, Rayyan's going to unbox Treasure X Alien. Yesterday he unboxed this one, and today he's gonna unbox these two guys. Are we ready?
Get out of here. Don't let me get it. Me too.
Okay, let's get started.
Here's a cutting tool and I'll pull this. Let's get this cutting tool out.
So let's have a look at the cutting tool while Rayyan's unboxing that. So it's not sharp at all, pointy, and it's a tweezer at the bottom.
It's more plastic.
So Rayyan has to use his knife and cut along this line over here where it says warning line. So he needs to cut that open. This over here, you see the perforated lines? Yeah. So you need to cut that. There you go. Use this here and then you just... It's like chopping a vegetable.
I want to chop a vegetable. Hooray. Oh my god!
So here we get the map which Rayyan's gonna show.
We get the treasure, a ultra rare one. A rare. We get it back its air, you are the best. Get it back its air, you are the best. Get it, you are the best. Take it back its air.
So yesterday we did was the Gizmic alien. Today we're doing the Fork Gunk alien, and later we're gonna do the Ooze-Gold alien.
Ooze-Gold alien.
So they give you instructions as how you need to do it and things you collect. Okay, so here you get is just a little container where you can put your slime in after you finish playing with it. It's a pretty cool container. And Rayyan's already got some slime in here from yesterday's one.
I want to feel it.
I can't do it. Oh, I got it. So you just got that out and your alien sits right in there. Let's take him out. Guys, he looks scary. Look at his teeth. Oh, gross.
It's not scary. Look at it.
Okay, guys, so here's our alien guy. He looks like best buddies with Rayyan. So now you have to cut along here, dissect him, and let's see what's inside him. There's someone inside him needs to be rescued.
I need to be rescued.
Okay guys, so we have opened this up and now we're gonna take his ribs out.
Ribs, oh my god.
This alien's got ribs.
I haven't seen an alien have ribs before. I just tried.
Okay, now we are dissecting. You need to cut that out where the line is. You really have to push it in.
This is good. Did you open it, Mommy?
Yes, you can see. Oh, there's slime in there.
You.
Do you want to take the parts out now?
Yes. Take the parts out.
You can put the slime on this if you want. Ooh, Gooey. We found a package.
It looks like a lung. Is it his lungs?
No. We found something. Oh, we found a weapon. Okay guys, you can see our guy is trapped in here. Save me! Save me! Yeah, coming to save you, bro.
Save me up!
There's a little worm in here.
Ew, why he has worms inside him?
Well, it's the alien, bro.
What alien ate a bug? A worm.
Gosh.
It's for Puma and Tim and Dick and
Save me! Yeah, coming to save you.
Yeah.
Hey, let's take him out. Whoa. He's like upside down in the alien's belly. Hi. He wants to reunite with his other friends. Oh, whoa, whoa. He's with, this is all the alien's digestive juice. So here is our guy. Ooh, he's upside down. His teeth is on the top. He's a funny looking guy. So guys, we're gonna find out what's in this little pack. So here we go.
What is this? Something.
Let's see what's in here. Ooh, it's a little alien guy.
Mom, I'm going to eat you, alien.
And here is the guy we rescued. He's got 4 hands. His teeth is on top. Funny looking guy. Now let's see who we found. Nick Pick and his weapon. So Nick Pick and his weapon. So here we go guys, and we are going to show you what we can do with the ooze. So you have to fill it in and then ooze it out with his head. So you want to open his head up? So you just removed his head, and inside his head is a part where you can put in the slime.
She is a good.
So guys, we have the slime in, and check that out. Yo! He's angry. He's oozing from his teeth and his nose and his eyes. He's really angry. We dissected him and took all the food out from his tummy. So guys, finally we are going to rescue the guy in this alien.
I want to name him Bob.
Okay, we're gonna rescue Bob from here. Okay, let's unbox him and dissect this alien. Just use this part of the hook, take it in, and here we go. Okay, here comes our alien guy.
Oh, alright. I want to take it out.
Whoa. He looks scary too. Look at his teeth. They're so big. They look so sharp. Ready to dissect him?
Yes, I'm ready to dissect him. Dissect. Yeah, dissect. 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 Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa, he's a guy.
Can I take? Whoa. Whoa, look at him.
Whoa, we rescued him.
Check on the map and see who it is. Now I can do it. You won't believe it. It's a new one.
Oh, so cute. I think he might be glowing in the dark.
Come on, guys. Let's go see if he glows in the dark. Okay.
So we found him, Gravigill. So these are the aliens we rescued this guy from this alien. We rescued this guy from that alien. And this guy from this alien.
Whoa.
Hope you guys enjoyed watching our video. Give us a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.